GX1850 VHF radio replaces the Explorer series models GX1600 and GX1700 from Standard Horizon's lineup. Although, to be clear, the difference between these models is largely cosmetic. The new radio has better guts, updated software, and updated looks to match our contemporary style. Although the style upgrade is the highlight, the radio continues with the stellar reputation of its predecessors. It's also well placed compared to its competition, the GX2400 and the ICOM M330G. Standard Horizon GX1850G is compact, and yet its dot matrix display is big enough to show a variety of information. Now that we've discussed the design, let's talk about the features. The radio is available in a couple of variants. Most commonly, there's the GX1850G or the GX1850 GPS. This simply denotes that the VHF marine radio has a built-in GPS. The other variant doesn't have a built-in GPS and must rely entirely on external input, although you can still use external GPS with the 1850. Redundancy is a good thing. For better voice quality, the microphone has noise-canceling technology. Interestingly, there isn't a speaker on the microphone, so communication can feel a bit off. Another weird aspect is its NMEA capability. The radio has connectivity with NMEA 0183, and though it claims compatibility with NMEA 2000, that part doesn't quite work well. Other than this little issue, the radio works pretty well and remains easy to operate for the average user. Overall, Standard Horizon GX1850G is a powerful yet simple-to-use VHF marine radio. Its features make it a suitable choice for offshore fishing. However, if other gadgets on your boat, like GPS or MFD, work with NMEA 2000, it might be better to look for a radio with better compatibility. To sum up what we like is the robust IPX8 waterproofing, the backlight for screen and keypad, second station compatible, the compact size, good voice quality, and noise-canceling microphone. On the downside, confusing setup with NMEA 2000 and NMEA 0183, and there is no speaker on the mic. Our ratings for transmit power are 9 out of 10. For value for money, 9 out of 10. Functionality, 8.5 out of 10. Waterproofing, 10 out of 10, for an overall value of 9.15 out of 10. So what do you think? Is this the best marine radio for you? Check another video where we reviewed the 5 best marine radios and see if any of these is a better option for you. Tell us in the comments what you think, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Have an awesome day.